Okay, so today let's learn how to rationalize binomial surd. Okay, so the denominators are actually two terms. So what we do is we use the opposite of the denominator, which is called the conjugate, and the conjugate is root 2 minus 3 all over root 2 minus 3. That's the conjugate. All right, so we use that, can put this in brackets, we use that to multiply up and down. 2 times everything there will give us 2 open bracket root 2 minus 3 all over. If you look at the denominator, it's actually difference of 2 squares. That means we can actually do something like open bracket root 2 difference of 2 squared minus 3 all squared. That's the fastest way of simplifying it. So we have 2 open bracket root 2 minus 3 all over root 2 all squared is root 4, and root 4 is 2. So we have 2 minus 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. Alright, so our answer will be 2 open bracket root 2 minus 3 all over minus 7. Alright, this minus of course can come up, and our answer finally will become equals to minus 2 root 7 open bracket root 2 minus 3. Alright, that's how we rationalize that. Let's check another example. Alright, so to rationalize this, what we'll do is multiply up and down by the conjugate, and the conjugate is the opposite of it. The same expression with the opposite sign, that's the conjugate. If it's minus, it will come as plus. If it's plus, it will come as minus. Alright, so if we multiply the numerators, we'll have root 2. 1 does not change anything, it multiplies, so we'll have root 2 plus root 3. Numerator, the denominator now will be difference of 2 squares like we did before. It's a squared minus b squared. That concept is what we are using. So root 2 all squared minus root 3 all squared. And if we simplify the denominator, we'll have root 2 all squared is 2. Root 3 all squared is 3. Because root 2 times root 2 is root 4, and root 4 is 2. Root 3 times root 3 is root 9, and root 9 is 3. Alright, so we'll simplify. We have root 2 minus root 3 denominator, and our answer will be minus 1. If it's minus 1, finally we put the minus up and put the expression at the numerator in the bracket, and this is where we can stop for now. Alright, so in this case, let's rationalize this. Rationalizing it simply means removing the surd or the radicals from the denominator. So we use the same expression to multiply up and down, but with the opposite sign, and it's called the conjugate. Root 5 plus root 2, put it in brackets, necessary. Then we'll expand 2 times everything at the top to give us 2 open bracket root 5 plus root 2 all over root 5 times root 5. Of course, we use difference of 2 squares, so we don't waste time. All squared minus root 2 all squared. This will give us 2 root 5 in brackets plus root 2 all over root 5 all squared is 5 minus root 2 all squared is 2. Okay, our answer finally becomes 2 open bracket root 5 plus root 2 all over 5 minus 2 is 3, and that's our answer. Well, that's the much we can take for now.